Hello guys, you are watching Gigabyte. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to change your boot option to USB flash drive. So let's start. So first plug your pen drive and then restart your PC. Okay, restarting, wait. After restarting, it will show your motherboard logo. In my case, my boot menu is F12, so I press it, and here you can see the USB jet flash drive or focus. Yeah, you can see the USB flash drive PMAP. Okay, just select that and press any key to continue. Enter. Okay, the Windows is loading. You have successfully changed your boot option to the USB flash drive. So guys, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. If you have any problem, then comment down on the comment section. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Windows 7. Bye.